Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to a supercar that epitomizes power, precision, and luxury at the Audi R8 GT 2024 model. As the pinnacle of Audi's engineering prowess, the 2024 R8 GT combines breathtaking performance with stunning design and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into what makes the Audi R8 GT 2024 a true masterpiece. Striking design. The Audi R8 GT 2024 is a visual feast, exuding an aggressive yet elegant presence. The signature single-frame grille, flanked by large air intakes, and the sleek, sculpted lines give the R8 GT a commanding look. The lightweight carbon fiber elements, including the front splitter, rear diffuser, and fixed rear wing, not only enhance its aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics and downforce. The R8 GT sits low and wide, with a stance that speaks to its racing heritage and high-performance capabilities. Luxurious interior. Step inside the R8 GT, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for the ultimate driving experience. The interior is a blend of luxury and functionality, featuring high-quality materials like Nappa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The sports seats provide excellent support and comfort, ensuring you stay snug during spirited driving. The driver-centric layout includes a digital instrument cluster and a higher-resolution infotainment system, putting all essential information and controls at your fingertips. Advanced technology. The 2024 Audi R8 GT is equipped with the latest in automotive technology. The Audi Virtual Cockpit displays all critical driving information on a customizable digital screen, while the MMI infotainment system offers seamless connectivity with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. The Bang & Olufsen sound system provides an exceptional audio experience, making every drive an auditory delight. Additionally, advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera enhance safety and convenience. Unmatched performance. At the heart of the Audi R8 GT 2024 is a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces an exhilarating 620 horsepower and 427 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse engine allows the R8 GT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with the top speed of 205 miles per hour. The 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast gear changes, while the Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional traction and stability. Whether on the track or the open road, the R8 GT offers a thrilling and responsive driving experience. Exceptional handling. The R8 GT is renowned for its precise handling and agility. The advanced suspension system, combined with Audi's magnetic ride control, adapts to driving conditions in real time, providing a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The lightweight construction and low center of gravity enhance the car's stability, while the carbon ceramic brakes deliver impressive stopping power. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising at high speeds, the R8 GT remains composed and confident. The Audi R8 GT 2024 is a testament to Audi's commitment to performance, luxury, and innovation. With its striking design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and unmatched performance, the R8 GT stands out as one of the most exhilarating supercars on the market. If you're looking for a car that combines cutting-edge engineering with breathtaking speed and style, the Audi R8 GT 2024 is the perfect choice. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Audi R8 GT 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.